introductory page or an introduction to the Constitution. Introduction to the Constitution, as every lesson has a small introduction or overview or a summary it will be saying. That way we have the preamble, which is the soul of Constitution. కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ రాజ్యాంగానికి ఒక ఆత్మ లాంటిది. ప్రియాంబుల్ అనేది రాజ్యాంగానికి ఒక ఆత్మ లాంటిది. మన శరీరానికి ఆత్మ ఎంత ఉపయోగమో సేమ్ వే ద ప్రియాంబుల్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద సోల్ ఆఫ్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ వర్డ్స్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సే, ద కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ డిక్లేర్స్ 5 important words. What are they? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and last one is yours, republic. Can we say sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic? Sovereign would mean all powerful. Our country is all powerful after the law is in our hands. Secular would means there is no official religion. We don't promote any official religion. We go in relation with every religion. We accept and we love every religion. Sovereign, secular, and republic. That means our country is made new. A public which is made new with its constitution. Then democratic means it is the beautiful thing. The world accepts that the definition given by Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of USA, America. What did he say? Democracy is nothing but by the people, of the people, for the people. ప్రజల చేత, ప్రజల కొరకు, ప్రజలచే ఎన్నుకోబడినటువంటి ప్రభుత్వం. Just opposite to the monarchy or British rule whatsoever. అది మన చేతిలో ఉన్నటువంటి డెమోక్రటిక్. సోవరెన్, సోషలిస్ట్, సెక్యులర్, డెమోక్రాటిక్ అండ్ రిపబ్లిక్. మై డియర్ పీపుల్, దీస్ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దట్స్ వై అవర్ గ్రేట్ ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ Narendra Modi will always address Mero Pyare Baigan, Mero Pyare Logom. Why he says all that? Because we are lovable people of India. We hope you are all living in harmony and peace with each other. And let us promote love. Love can heal every broken heart. And let us see that preamble works out in our hands. Now we have few programs to tell us about fundamental rights, the basic rights, everything. Now I am inviting Ratnashekar to deliver that preamble. First page of the Constitution, what is written, word to word, text by text, is going to tell us what is the preamble by his own words. Come on to the dais.
Welcome to Rainbow School. This is Ratnashekar from class 9. Today I am going to tell about Indian Constitution. Constitution of India. Preamble. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Ratnashekar. Many of you understood or not, but it is the importance of Constitution Day. We request everyone to fold your hands and don't touch the ground. Let's be disciplined. Here comes Arsha sir and co with their mime. Okay, I invite them to exhibit their mime. Please come on to the dais.